Hello guys, welcome to my first tutorial video. Today I teach you how to make smooth and perfect head tracking in After Effects. Let's start. You can see this character is not in frame. First click on tracker and decide the tracker point. Then set on the nose of character and start tracking. Now wait for tracking done. You can see tracking is done. Simply click on apply. Now change the position. Tracking is done.